Hey there! Welcome to your quick guide on Title IX, the federal law that helps keep our campus safe, equal, and respectful for everyone. In just a few minutes, you'll know what Title IX is, what your rights are, and what to do if you ever need help. What is Title IX? So, what exactly is Title IX? Title IX is a federal civil rights law that says, no person in the United States shall, on the basis of sex, be excluded from participation in, be denied the benefits of, or be subjected to discrimination under any education program or activity receiving federal financial assistance. Translation: if you're part of a college that gets federal money, like Cypress College, you have the right to learn and participate without discrimination or harassment. Why does it matter at Cypress College? Title IX matters because it protects you from sexual harassment, sexual misconduct, and discrimination, whether you're in class, at a campus event, or off campus at a college-sponsored activity. You deserve to feel safe, equal, and respected. It's that simple. Who's covered? Title IX protects everyone, students and employees. It doesn't matter who you are or where you are. If it's related to and sponsored by Cypress College, you're covered. And it's not just on campus. Title IX applies to college-sponsored activities off campus too. What does sexual harassment look like? Let's talk about what sexual harassment really means under Title IX. Sexual harassment is unwelcome behavior based on sex, gender, or sexual orientation that's so severe, pervasive, and objectively offensive that it interferes with your ability to participate in your classes, activities, or any part of college life. In short, it crosses the line and it disrupts your ability to focus, learn, or feel safe on campus. Here are some examples. Unwanted sexual advances, requests for sexual favors, inappropriate sexual jokes or comments, displaying sexual images or videos, touching or groping without consent, repeated unwanted invites for dates, stalking or persistent unwanted attention. If it's unwanted, makes you uncomfortable, and keeps happening, that's a red flag and it might be sexual harassment. What is consent? Consent means everyone involved is fully on board, willing and informed to participate in any kind of intimate activity. It's not just a one-time yes, it's a conversation. It's all about communication, talk openly, ask questions, be clear. Empathy. Tune in to how the other person feels, not just what they say. Mutual respect. Every person's comfort and boundaries matter equally. Always ask first, always listen, and always respect a no. And a maybe or a not sure? That's a no too. Consent can't be assumed, pressured, or taken for granted. No one owes it, and anyone can change their mind at any time, even if you've done something before or you're in a relationship. That's their right. Consent makes everything better, because when both people feel safe and respected, that's when real connection happens. Let's create a culture where asking first is the norm, and yes really means yes. What are your rights under Title IX? Under Title IX, you have the right to be protected from sexual harassment or assault on or off campus at college activities. Report misconduct privately. Get supportive resources and accommodations if you need them. Be protected from retaliation for speaking up. How do you report a Title IX incident? If something happens that feels wrong, here's what you can do. Know your contacts. Cypress College has a Title IX office that handles Title IX incident reports. The office is located in the Cypress College Complex building, 2nd floor, room 218. You can also call 714-484 7123 or 714-484-7107. Document what happened. Write it down while it's fresh. Then, when you have access to your phone or computer, go to the Cypress College Title IX webpage to complete and submit your incident report. Go to the Cypress College website and simply search for Title IX. Report it. You can do this privately using the Cypress College Title IX Incident Report form. Get support. You're not alone. Resources are here for you. If you require mental health support, visit the Student Health and Wellness Center near Lot 4. Or you can call them directly at 714-484-7361. Or search for Health and Wellness Center on the Cypress College website. What happens after you make an incident report? Once the Title IX office gets your report, they'll reach out, usually by email, to set up a time to chat. Don't worry, this is just a conversation to better understand what happened and talk about your options. During the meeting, you'll go over the details of the situation together with the Title IX coordinator. From there, the Title IX coordinator will figure out whether what happened falls under Title IX. Quick reminder, for something to qualify as Title IX, it must be severe, pervasive, objectionably offensive, and impacting your ability to succeed at Cypress College. If it does fall under Title IX, you'll talk about next steps. And here's where you get to choose what feels right for you. Some students prefer an information resolution, which can be quicker and more flexible. Others choose to go through the formal grievance process, which involves an investigation. That means an investigator will speak with you, the complainant, the other party involved, the respondent, and any witnesses. After that, there's a hearing and a decision maker. Yep, that's their title. The decision maker will decide what happens next, including consequences if necessary. And don't forget, both sides have the right to appeal the outcome if they feel something wasn't handled correctly. What if the incident happens off campus? Yep, Title IX still has your back, even when you're not physically on campus. So, if you're on a college club trip, a class field trip, or repping Cypress College at a conference, and something happens that makes you uncomfortable or unsafe, here's what to do. Know the reporting process. We just went over it. If you need a refresher, feel free to rewind the video a bit. Find your go-to person. That could be your instructor, a coach, or whoever's in charge of the activity. Write it down. Try to document what happened as soon as you can. Details, dates, people involved, so you're ready to submit a report through the Title IX webpage. If there was violence or something illegal, make sure you report it to the police or local authorities too. That's important. Get support. Talk to a friend. Check in with a trusted faculty member, or reach out to a mental health professional. You don't have to handle it alone. Keep it private, as needed. Your story is yours. Share it only with people who need to know or who can support you. How can we all make campus safer? Respect is a team effort. Creating a safe and welcoming campus isn't just about following the rules. It's about how we treat each other every day. We help keep Cypress College safe when we respect boundaries. Everyone has the right to feel comfortable and in control of their own space and decisions. Get clear consent. Consent should always be enthusiastic, mutual, and ongoing. No guessing games. Speak up when something's not right. If you see or hear something that feels off, say something. It could make a big difference. Support each other. Be a friend. Check in and offer help when someone's going through something tough. And remember, sometimes people don't realize their words or actions are inappropriate. If you're in a safe position to do so, let them know kindly but firmly. Speaking up for yourself and others helps build a campus where everyone feels safe, seen, and supported. So here's the bottom line. You have the right to feel safe and respected on campus, off campus, in class, online, and everywhere in between as it relates to Cypress College. If something doesn't feel right, you can speak up, report it, and get support. Title IX is here to protect you, and so are we. And remember, we all play a part in building a campus where everyone feels welcome, heard, and valued. We are one Cypress. We take this journey together.